Hello everyone, it's Johnny here. Today I'm going to show you two ways of making clouds in Blender. And let's get started. So first, let's go to the shade editor and add a texture coordinate so we can get the coordinate of this cube. And connect the object to the volume and turn on the shading, and by doing so we're calculating the origin to its vertices distance, and also this contains directions. But since we are making the clouds, we want the direction to be reversed, so it's not like touching the border. We're gonna add a mapping to remap the range from 1 to 0. Okay, so preferably we're gonna use cycles because it has a better performance. And then we want to change the shape of this cloud, so we'll need another mask node. Divide. We divide this x, y, z accordingly. Okay, now we're gonna need noise texture to add some noise to the clouds, and makes let's preview this scale a little bit, and add mix to mix the shape and the noise together. Change the color and mix them, and let's select linear light. Now it's close to the results, but what we need here is a density, so we will need a volume, principal volume, and select density. To make it more clearly, we can increase the minimum value maybe to 5. No. Yeah. To 50, and this looks great. And now we are going to change the environment texture to color this cloud. Go to here and like environment texture, open, and we can go to the blenders folder. It will have the default HDRI texture. It's located in Studio Lights World. Pick this one and increase the strength to 10. I'll set the clouds color a little wider like this, and go to the render and film transparent. Now it's close to the final result, and we can play with the noise texture to decrease or scale the details. Also, we can add another mask node here to change the cloud's shape. Since it's XYZ, we are basically modifying the vector values. Okay, that's the final result. Now I'm going to show you the second way of making the clouds. So first, let's Shift A, create a cube, tap, go to edit mode, extrude, E, select face, press E, extrude, and select those two faces, press S and Y. Okay, and let's use the subdivision modifier. Set it to 3. Perfect. And now we're gonna create a volume, empty volume. Give it a modifier, match the volume. Select the cloud we just made, like this. And we can add this place. Select the texture. We can go to here to modify the texture by decrease or increase the size. This. Okay, let's back to the modifier. Okay, so we can add a texture to this volume. Let's hide this. Go to the viewport shading. Make it wider. And like the last clouds we made, we can add some density to it. Like this, maybe 1.8. We see the edges, it's like blocks, is really not fine enough. We can increase work amount by, yeah, now it looks better. But I want to decrease the details, so I'm gonna modify the texture 0.0, sorry, 0.5. Now it looks better. Yeah, okay. So that's all for today's video. Here we have two claws. Okay, that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you're new around here, please hit subscribe. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day.